What's going on, guys? Two Bros Garage back at it again. Today we're gonna be working on a 2007 BMW 335 Xi. It's a coupe. This thing's a beauty. I'm gonna be replacing the headlight lens right here, and I'm also gonna be adding a front carbon fiber lip to it. So stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be a good one. Check it out. Check it out. Alrighty, guys. Look at this. It replaces these headlight lens here. It's kind of foggy. He bought a brand new one. I'm gonna take out that bumper. We're also gonna add the front lip to it, and man, we're just gonna make it look better. So it already looks nice. He got some wheels on it, but yeah, just a small little quick job for my buddy. Gonna take care of that right now. Alrighty, everybody, I'm gonna take this thing apart. I'm gonna do a little time lapse for you guys, and check it out, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, so basically I got the headlight off. I can see that they have a bunch of silicone all the way around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a blade, I'm gonna cut in there. Once I have the lens off, I'm gonna actually clean out all this silicone, and then I'll put new silicone and I'll seal it up. Like as you guys can see here, it's coming off. So I'll seal it up and put the new lens in and let it dry, and then put it back on, and then also add the lip. Alright, guys, got my blade. Let's get to work. Alrighty, guys, this is a wrap. We got the lip on, we got the lens in. Car's looking good. My buddy's gonna go pick it up now. Just stay tuned for more videos like this, man. If you like the content, subscribe, like. Thank you for showing love, man.